Hello everyone. Have you got a couple of used up empty spools lying around? Well, this is a super cute way to upcycle them and turn them into a fun ornament. You can gift them to crafty friends and family or keep them to decorate your own tree, and they can be whipped up in just over an hour. The best part of this craft is it only requires a few basic materials you'll likely already have lying around your sewing room. You need an empty spool of thread and a small piece of fabric to do your embroidery on. We chose this metallic fabric by Robert Kaufman, but you can also choose an Aida cloth if you want to cross stitch yours instead. For the thread, I'll be using this number 5 pearl cotton thread called Eleganza. It's one of my favorite choices for hand embroidery because it has a tight twist that doesn't loosen or unravel when I stitch, and it's thick enough to stand out and give some texture to the fabric. An optional item is some acrylic paint. I'll be painting my empty spool with a few coats of metallic paint to tie it into the color scheme better, but you can also leave your spool unpainted. With a flexible measuring tape, measure the height and width of the spool. The fabric should be cut exactly to the height of the spool's indentation and 1/2 inch longer than the width. If your fabric is on the thinner side, you can choose an iron fusible stabilizer to add to the backside and stiffen it for your hand embroidery. This is very useful when working on such a small piece of fabric. I'll be demonstrating 4 basic hand embroidery stitches. However, the pattern and stitches you choose are entirely up to you. Thread your needle and knot the thread on one end, bringing it up from the back side so the knot is hidden. I'll add a simple back stitch along the top and bottom edges of my spool. A detached chain stitch or daisy stitch is easy to arrange in your own design. In the center of my design, I'll place a few straight stitches in the shape of a star. And a sprinkle of French knots are perfect for adding texture and filling in the space. While you are placing your design, remember to begin as close as you can to one edge and stop right on the extra 1/2 inch on the other end. This will allow your design to overlap seamlessly. When you're done stitching your design out, take a hot glue gun, Gorilla Glue, or simple white glue and attach your fabric to the spool. Make sure to place the end with the extra 1/2 inch first, then overlap with the other end. You can finish off the ornament by adding a hanging string. Cut a length of thread about 10 inches long. You can tie beads or a small bell to the bottom of the spool and trim the extra thread away. You can also do the same at the top end to hide the hole the thread is running through. That's all there is to it. You now have a super cute ornament that makes for a perfect gift, stocking stuffer, or a gift wrapping decoration. And it's the perfect way to use up your leftover empty spools. If you tried this craft for yourself, let us know in the comment section below, or share it with us on Instagram or Facebook using the hashtag WonderFil. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you like this video, or hit subscribe for more great tips and tutorials. See you all next time.